Today I'm going to show you the Rulai conversational AI platform. What you're looking at here is our user interface. I'm going to be showing you a help desk bot today. Below that, we have our studio editor. Our studio editor is where we actually design the flows that are more conversational with the users that will be interacting with the bot. To the right of that, we have our different flows that we've added to this bot for the help desk. So you can see here we have things that would be specific to help desk questions, such as unlocking your account, resetting a password. So you can see we have some ordering new equipment, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and launch my widget. This is for my testing. You can see we've started the flow. Hi, your desktop assistant. What can I do for you? I'm going to ask to reset my password. Now, being that this is a help desk bot, some of these things that we're asking can be pretty sensitive. So we want to verify that what we're hearing is exactly what they're saying. So here we're verifying that they want to reset that password. I'm going to say yes. To verify this is the user, we want to ask a few security questions and then ask if there's anything else we can help you with. Now I want to take this kind of off script. I want to see what happens when I try to confuse the bot. So obviously, this being a help desk bot, we're not going to have a flow built into here for ordering a sandwich. What I want to do here is actually build a flow on the fly to address this request. I'm going to come over here to add new flow, and you can see here we're starting a new flow that we're going to build. I'm going to call this flow sandwich order. And the first thing I need to do is build in some messages that might trigger this flow to start. So after we build in our trigger messages, the next thing I need to do is interact with that individual. Before that, I'm going to drop in a message node and say something like, you know what? I am hungry too. And then I'm going to go to a question. And now I'm going to give them different options. I'm just going to give them two options. So I want to give them some buttons so they know what they can choose from. So I come down here, I select buttons. I'm going to add a button. The next thing you want to do is drop in a message node if they select cheeseburger, and another message node if they select pizza. Right, so now as we start this flow, here's our two options. I'm going to launch my widget. I would like to order a laptop. So it gives me my choices of laptops. Now in the middle of this flow, I'm going to try to confuse it. I'm going to say, you know what? I would like to order a sandwich. So you can see here that the bot is jumping into the flow that I just created. It paused the flow of ordering a laptop. So I'm going to say I want to order, I can either click a button or I can type it. So let's say pizza. And here's through the flow. And then you can see it takes me right back to where we left off with ordering the laptop. So as you create flows and add them into the flows over here, the AI, the level 3 AI, is actually able to detect what the intent of the user is, jump into that flow, work through that flow, remember where it was left off, and then take you back to where it left off to finish.